Today, we'll explore some of the best air purifiers for mold that can transform your home into a fresher, cleaner space. Whether you struggle with allergies or simply want to improve your indoor air quality, these options are worth considering. And for your convenience, all products mentioned in this video will be linked down in the description. And with that in mind, let's get started. First up is the Clorox Medium Room Air Purifier priced at $99. This purifier is tailored for spaces up to 1,000 square feet, featuring a true HEPA, high efficiency particulate air filter that captures 99.97% of ultrafine particles. It is equipped with a 3-stage filtration system. An initial pre-filter captures large particles like pet hair, the HEPA filter targets finer particles, and an activated carbon filter absorbs odors and volatile organic compounds. The purifier also includes an air quality sensor that provides real-time feedback through a PM 2.5 digital display and a color-coded light that changes from green to maroon based on air quality. In auto mode, it adjusts the fan speed according to detected air quality changes, ensuring optimal performance without manual intervention. It's particularly praised for its quiet operation, making it suitable for continuous use in living spaces and bedrooms. Users note its efficiency in reducing allergens and odors quickly. The purifier is recommended for medium-sized rooms, capable of cleaning the air approximately 5 times per hour in a 225 square foot space and once per hour in the larger rooms up to the maximum recommended size. Reviewers are generally satisfied, highlighting the ease of use and the noticeable improvement in air quality. Second, we discuss the LEVOIT Core 300, available for $99. This compact yet powerful unit is ideal for larger rooms or small apartments covering up to 1,000 square feet. It operates with a high-efficiency motor and a high-efficiency particulate air filter capable of clearing out the air in 12 minutes with its high clean air delivery rate. The Core 300 utilizes Vortex Air technology and 360-degree air intake to maximize airflow, ensuring rapid purification. It also features multiple filter options tailored for different concerns such as pet dander, smoke, or toxins. The quiet operation, particularly in sleep mode where it produces only 24 decibels, is a significant advantage for nighttime use. Its award-winning design is not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing, allowing it to blend seamlessly into any decor. Energy efficiency is another key aspect, with certifications from Energy Star and other safety standards. Reviewers often commend its effective performance in reducing allergens and odors and appreciate the ease of operation. The purifier also includes a timer and filter lifetime indicator, adding to its convenience. Third on our list is the Afloia Kilo Air Purifier for $99. Designed for areas up to 1,000 square feet, this purifier filters air 4 times per hour in a standard 260 square foot room. It features a 3-stage filter system that captures particles as small as 0.03 microns, effectively addressing pet dander, dust, pollen, smoke, and mold. Unique to this model is the 7-color atmosphere lighting, which allows users to customize the ambience of their room. It operates at an ultra-quiet 22 decibels in sleep mode, making it one of the quietest purifiers on the market. The included timer enables users to set operation periods, optimizing energy usage and extending filter life. The ease of filter replacement and the availability of different filter types for various needs enhance user experience. Reviewers praise the purifier's performance, noting significant improvements in air quality and reduction in allergy symptoms. They also appreciate the customizable lighting, which adds a personal touch to the functionality. Fourth, consider the Afloia Europe Air Purifier priced at $119. This model is effective for very large rooms, capable of purifying a space up to 1,200 square feet 5 times per hour in a smaller 320 square foot area. It features a laser air quality sensor, which is quicker and more accurate than traditional sensors, providing immediate feedback on air quality. The true high-efficiency particulate air H13 filter is highly effective, capturing nearly 100% of airborne pollutants. In auto mode, the purifier adjusted settings based on air quality, ensuring efficient operation. The purifier's design includes a sleep mode that reduces noise levels significantly and a timer function for scheduled use. Users find the Europa easy to use and effective in maintaining fresh air, particularly in larger spaces. Some users, however, note the cost and availability of replacement filters as a potential drawback, although this is balanced by the unit's overall air purifying effectiveness. Finally, the Afloia Max Air Purifier is available for $199. It is a powerhouse suitable for very large areas covering up to 2,600 square feet. It offers a high clean air delivery rate of 550 cubic meters per hour, refreshing the air effectively even in large spaces. The 3-stage true high-efficiency particulate air filter system effectively removes a vast range of allergens, odors, and pollutants. The smart air quality monitor automatically adjusts the purifier's operation based on detected air quality, optimizing its performance without manual adjustments. It is also designed for energy efficiency, consuming less than 1.2 kilowatt hours over 24 hours. Additional features include a child lock, auto mode, sleep mode, and a timer, making it versatile and safe for household use. Users commend the Afloia Max for its effectiveness in clearing out significant air quality issues like smoke and pet odors. While some find it a bit noisy on the highest settings, its effectiveness in large spaces is highly praised. So, in conclusion, each of these air purifiers offers unique features tailored to specific needs, whether it's for a small room or a large living space. Considering factors such as room size, specific air quality concerns, and features like noise levels and filter types will help you choose the right model for your home. By investing in a high-quality air purifier, you can significantly improve the air quality of your environment, making it healthier and more comfortable for everyone. And don't forget that all products mentioned in this video are linked down in the description. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Till next time.